In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your iTunes application is not opening on your Windows 10 or 11 or maybe even a different version, laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and search for programs. Best result should go back of add or remove programs. Go ahead and select that. And then in the search apps field on the right side here, go ahead and search for iTunes. Should be a three-dotted icon next to that that says more options. When you hover over it, go ahead and select it, and then select modify, and then select the repair option, reinstall iTunes replacing missing or damaged files, and then select next. Give us some time to reinstall iTunes here basically, just give it a moment. And then select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And you can see that the iTunes installer has completed. You can go ahead and select finish. And hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem if you attempt to open up iTunes at this point, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.